You want to tell me about it? Tell me about your hiccups? Whoa. I know, they're annoying, huh? Yeah. Oh no. Guess Molly hears your hiccups too. Yeah. It's just us girls. Dad went to the store, huh? He's gonna bring back something that you can't play with. Yeah, that's not fair, huh?